Think you need more certifications or more education before you can really start coaching? That belief might be the very thing holding you back from ever building your coaching business. In the next couple minutes, I'll break down why overschooling is one of the deadliest mistakes that coaches make. And I'll give you 3 simple steps you can follow to move forward with confidence without waiting for years to feel ready to coach. This mistake is just one of 16 common mistakes that coaches make that can quietly kill your coaching business before it ever starts. I put all 16 into a quick PDF guide. It breaks them down in just a couple minutes so you can avoid wasting months or years waiting to feel ready. If you want it right now, just drop me a line below. I'm Chris. Over the last decade, I've personally enrolled over 400 coaching clients, and I've led more than 10,000 paid coaching sessions. And now I help coaches skip the time wasters and use no-nonsense strategies that get paying clients. The problem is so many coaches spend so much time and money chasing certifications and more education, thinking it's going to give them confidence or open doors or magically bring in coaching clients. But while they're waiting, they're not actually coaching real clients. And as a result, their business never gets off the ground. Most coaches in this stage do one of 3 things. They hold out for the best of the best school and delay coaching until they can afford it. Or they keep piling up on certifications, thinking the next one will finally make them confident enough. Or they keep polishing their coaching skill set endlessly, but never practice on real clients. Doing these things feels safe, but it doesn't move the business forward because your coaching school doesn't build your business. Clients do. Even if you attend the Ivy League of coaching schools, it won't matter if you don't have experience actually coaching real clients. In fact, without real practice, you'll waste opportunities and struggle with confidence even more. Think of it like a plane on a runway. You only have so much fuel. Your money, your energy, your family's support. So if you keep circling the runway, collecting more certifications, eventually you'll run out of runway and the plane never takes off. I've seen this happen too many times. Coaches stay in student mode so long that they run out of money, get discouraged, or life throws them a curveball and they never actually launch their coaching business. The reality is that you don't get confidence from certifications. You get confidence from coaching real clients. It's not about waiting until you're perfectly trained. It's about moving now while you're learning. Here's 3 simple steps that you can take. Step 1, start coaching during your certification or training. Don't wait until the end. Every conversation you have while you're learning multiplies your skill and builds your confidence faster than any course can. Step 2, focus on speed, which is how many people you actually talk to about the problem that you solve. The more people you speak with, the faster your business takes off. Even if they're free practice sessions at first, those conversations build your momentum. And finally, step 3, shift from student mindset to business owner mindset. Education makes you a better coach to a degree, but it doesn't make you a business owner. You need to practice marketing and sales alongside your coaching skill set. Think of coaching skill as your brakes and client gating as your accelerator. You need both to drive the business forward. And this works because it fixes the real problem. You don't need permission from a school or a certificate to coach well. What builds your reputation and confidence is results. Helping clients right now. Let me give you a quick example. I worked with 2 coaches at the same time. One spent 3 years chasing program after program, collecting certifications, but never coaching a real client. By the time they were ready to start, their savings were gone, their confidence was low, and their business never launched. The other, she started coaching while she was still in her first certification program. By the time she graduated, she already had paying clients and real momentum. Her certificate was just icing on the cake because her results and confidence came from coaching real clients. That's the difference between waiting and winning. So if you want to avoid overschooling and the other traps that hold coaches back, grab my 16 Mistakes Coaches Make PDF. It shows you exactly what to skip, what to focus on, and how to move your business forward now without wasting months delaying. If you want it, just drop me a line below. You don't need another certification to be ready. You need coaching conversations. You need real clients. You need momentum. And when you stop waiting for permission, you start building your coaching business for real.